Dear friends, now we try to discuss how to find minor matrix and cofactor matrix. This is a very important concept. So, listen carefully. A matrix is given. For this matrix, you need to find minor matrix and cofactor matrix. Writing all the minors of these elements in a matrix is called minor matrix. Finding minors of each element of this matrix and again writing them as a matrix form is minor matrix. Right. How to write minor matrix? See here. Given A equal to minor matrix. We have to find minor of each element. Each element minor. How to write minor of an element? I want to write minor of this element. Remove the row and column. Remove the row and column left by 4 elements. What are those? 2, 3, 4, 2. Simplification we will do in the next step. First of all, we try to find the 4 elements after removal row and column. Minor of this element. Remove row and this column. Minor of 3. This position element. Remove row and column. What are the 4 elements left? 1, 3, 3, 2. So, det of 1, 3, 3, 2. Minor of 1. Remove the row and column. The remaining 4 elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Minor of 1. Remove row and column. What are the elements remaining? 3, 1, 4, 2. Minor of 2. Remove this row and column. What are the 4 elements left? 2, 1, 3, 2. Minor of 3. Remove row and column. The 4 elements are 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. Minor of 3. Remove this row and column. The 4 elements are 3, 1, 2, 3. Minor of 4. Remove row and column. The 4 elements are 2, 1, 1, 3. Minor of 2. Remove row and column. The 4 elements remaining are 2, 3, 1, 2. Like this, we will write minor of each element in a matrix, which is called minor matrix. Now, we simplify these matrices, det of these elements. AD minus BC, again minor matrix of A, equal to the simplification. AD 4 minus 12. Again AD minus BC 2 minus 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 into 4. 4 minus 3 2s are 6. Next, AD minus BC, 3 2s are 6 minus 4 1s are 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 1s are 2. 2 3s 6 minus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. In the next step, we will simplify further. Minor matrix of A. Minor matrix of A. Simplification: 4 minus 12 minus 8, 2 minus 9 minus 7, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 2, 4 minus 3 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 9 minus 2 7, 6 minus 1 5, 4 minus 3 1. This matrix is called minor matrix of A. Now, how to find cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix. To find cofactor matrix, first of all, we need to find minor matrix. So, to find cofactor matrix, we need minor matrix. What is the position of this element? Position. First row, first column, 1 1 position. What is the position of this element? First row, second column. So 1 2 position. This is 1 3 position. Now we write the remaining positions. What is the position? This 2 1 position. Sorry, 2 1 position. Second row, first column. This is 2 2 position. This is 2 3 position. This is third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. To write the cofactor matrix, first we need minor matrix. Now, add these two. 1 plus 1, 2. The definition of cofactor matrix: minus 1 power I plus j into mij. This is the definition of cofactor matrix, cofactor of an element. Cofactor of this element, already we found minor. So minor is minus 8 into minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 whole square, 1. 1 into minus 8, minus 8. Instead of using this formula, simply we can understand like this. If we add these two, if you get even number, put plus sign. If you get odd number, put minus sign. 1 plus 1, 2. If it is even, put plus. If it is odd, put minus symbol. So 1 plus 1, 2. So plus symbol. 1 plus 2, 3. So minus symbol. 1 plus 3, 4. Even. So plus. 2 plus 1, 3. Odd number. So minus sign. 2 plus 2, 4. Even. So take plus. Likewise, take the signs plus or minus accordingly. If it is 3 plus 1, 4. Even number. So put plus. 3 plus 2, 5. Odd. So take minus. See here. Multiply this with this. Plus into minus 8. Minus 8. Minus into minus. Plus. So plus 7. Plus into minus. Minus. So minus 2. Minus into 2. Minus 2. Plus into 1. Plus 1. 2 plus 3. 5. Odd number. So minus. Minus into minus. Plus. So plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Even number. So plus. Plus into 7. 7. 3 plus 2, 5. Odd number. So minus. Minus into 5. Minus 5. 3 plus 3, 6. Even. So plus symbol. Plus into 1. Plus 1. Even much better way we can follow. See here. If you observe, only these four elements, diamond shape elements, only these diamond shaped elements will change their sign. Remaining places, same sign, same number. Instead of all these calculations and simplifications, even odd, better, simplest way we follow like this. Only the diamond shaped elements in the minor matrix will change their sign. Rest of the elements will have same sign. Minus 8, minus 8. This is a diamond shape element. So it is plus 7. It is minus 7. So you have to take minus symbol. Minus into minus, plus. This is not a diamond shape element. Only these four will change the signs. So minus 2. So diamond shape, this is plus 2, it become minus 2. The same symbol with the same number 1. Diamond shape element minus 1, so I have to write plus 1. Plus 7. Diamond shaped element minus 5. 1, 1. Which means only these four elements will change its sign. Remaining elements we have to write as it is. So to find the cofactor matrix, first of all we need to find minor matrix. In that minor matrix, simply changing the diamond shaped elements symbols. If it is plus, you have to write minus. If it is minus, you have to write plus. Remaining elements will follow the same number with the same sign. This is a cofactor matrix. Right.